Hello friends, welcome to Anmol Testing Lab. In this tutorial, we are discuss about how to use the locator in Selenium by link text. So this is my Facebook page. If I want to click on the forget account, so how to use the link text locator in Selenium. So in this tutorial, we discuss. So first of all, I write the code in Eclipse for link tag. First of all, I create the object of Chrome driver. Chrome driver. New Chrome driver. Now driver dot get. This is used to open the Facebook link on the Chrome browser. So first copy paste the URL driver.get method. Now set the property of Chrome driver. That so if you want to set the property of Chrome driver, then use the method of system dot set property method. This method is used to set the property of a Chrome driver. So write driver dot Chrome dot driver dot sorry web driver. Now copy paste the path of Chrome driver. In my previous class already mentioned the path of the Chrome driver, so I copy from this class, copy paste. Now for removing this error, put the semicolon. Now I want to click on for forgotten account, so we will use the link text locator. So first of all, inspect forget account, and you can see that anchor tag is used. So write the code in Eclipse driver dot find element by link text by link text. The value of link text is that value mentioned in the between the anchor tags. the the value in between anchor tag is forgotten account. Then copy this. So copy this value forgotten account and paste this value. And now forgotten is link. So that click method is used to click on the forgotten account. So dot the list of method is displaying. Now we select the click method. Control S. Control S is used to save this code and click on the play red button. Now getting error. To display the manner the driver to driver must be set by webdriver to driver. Okay, so please I run again this code. Now you can say that it click on the forgotten account. The next screen is showing. So thank you so much. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and please follow my blog link already mentioned in my description. Thank you so much.